Oracle Data Pump offers very fast bulk data and metadata movement between user-managed Oracle databases and Exadata Cloud Service Databases. Data Pump Import lets you import data from Data Pump files. You can save your data to either the database server or file storage server and use Oracle Data Pump to load data to an Exadata Cloud Service Database. This lab walks you through the steps to migrate a sample application schema using Data Pump Import into your Exadata Cloud Service Database. Step 1. Download a sample Data Pump export file from Oracle Learning Library GitHub repository. For this, you would first have to log into your Bastion server. Once you have used the SSH command to log into your Bastion server, create a folder on your Bastion server with your user number. Once that is done, enter into this particular folder. Now use the following command of wget in your folder on the Bastion server and download a sample schema dump from OLL, that is Oracle Learning Library. Post this, we will move to step 2, which is set up environment to import data to Exadata Cloud Service Database. Here we will first have to log into your database from your Bastion server and execute the following commands. Use the SSH command to log into your database. Now source the environment for your database. Log into the SQL Plus utility using the following command. Now set the display for your SQL Plus output and select the directory name, directory path from all directories. Here you have to make sure that your data pump directory exists. Copy the particular path under directory path. Now exit and go back to your Bastion server. From your Bastion server, securely copy the dump file to the Oracle Exadata Cloud Service server. This copy has to be done from the particular path where your dump file was downloaded to the data pump directory that we had noted down in the step above. Moving on to step 3, that is performing data import. Here, first log in to your Exadata Cloud Service DB server using the SSH command. Then, source the environment for your database. Log into the node of Exadata and make a TNS entry on your tnsnames.ora file such that your import data pump process only uses this particular node, as we are placing the dump file on only one node and not the shared file system. To do this, go to your Oracle Home network admin / your database name that was used to source the environment. Then vi your tnsnames.ora file. I recommend that you keep a copy of it before going ahead. Since we have not attached the file system to the Exadata, we have to maintain consistency in the node usage. Hence, we will copy the pdb-tns entry and edit the host to the private IP of the node 1 of the Exadata Cloud Service. Finally, the stage is set to run the import command from your dev client bash prompt. In the above command, you have to replace the password with your admin password for your database system user. You have to replace usr_xx with the name of the pluggable database that you have created. The directory name can be left as is and the user_xx.dump file is the dump file that was securely copied to the directory location. You will now see an import successfully completed message pop up on your screen. You may now connect to your Exadata Cloud Service Database using an SQL client and validate the import. Congratulations, you have successfully completed migration of an Oracle database to the Exadata Cloud Service Database using Data Pump.